This is a little pre-Valentine's video. Yes. How did I do? Did I hit or did I miss? See my psychedelic light in the hair? Yes. Was that a hit or a miss? Look. 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 Yes. 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 I just use my creativity, nothing really planned, but I just try to execute. The balloon keep dropping, falling down, so I didn't put up a lot. I have more, but I'm not putting up a lot. Yes, the red and the white. Yes. Someone is gonna lay in a bed of roses tonight. Yes. I can't get the sheet very neat because it keeps sliding. So I did the best I can.